We have our brand new shower that we are going to install today. This is a good quality. This is a product of Moen, and it is magnetics. So, okay, I will show this to you. This is our brand new shower head, and this is a product of Moen, and it is good quality. This is the small plastic, that's the washer, and there's the hose. And this kind of shower head is a magnetic. So this would be really good. As it says here in the box, so this is the Moen product. The brand of the shower head, and it's a magnetic. It says magnetic dock, allows for easy release and securely snaps the hand shower back into place even with your eyes closed. So this is very efficient. I really like this. And here's settings at the push of a button. Okay, there's in the shower, that's the direction there. Push the button, and first it says massage, so that's really good. And second, relaxing massage. And third, wide coverage. I like that. And then here's the next, says rinse, and the next downpour, and the next intensify. So wow, this is really good. Okay, and optimize pressure in each setting. 60 inches flexible metal hose. That's good. Fits all standard shower arms. Resists fingerprints and water spots. Nice. Easy 3-step installation. Okay, I like this because you can take off the head shower from the washer, and if you can see here, the head shower is a magnetic. So after you take shower, you can easy to get the head shower. And because we are always rinsing the wall all the walls in the shower after we take shower. So this is the one that we really needed, and I like it and I really like this. Okay, here's the shower now. All right, here is now our brand new shower. Right, that's how it works. Right.
Hard to see without being in the shower.
Well, you have just look at the hose, how the water works. That's how you look. You don't really need it to take shower, just to... Perfect. That's good.
But it won't go on there right.
It's okay.
Luckily, I did put the thing to the side already just by accident. That's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's perfect. Okay, here is now our brand new shower head. We already installed. And okay, let's see. I will take this off. That's magnetic, so it's really easy. And that's the hose. All right, so let's see. Let's open it. Okay, that's very hot, right? Okay, we will turn this way. Right. So that's how the water flow. So after this is the intense. It says intense. That's the intense one. And the next, there you go. Perfect. And the next. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, my God. Oh, great. Oh, there you go. I love this shower. I love the shower head. Okay. So everything is working now. Nice and good. Okay. Because after we take a shower, we are always washing the wall like that. So I really like this. Okay, that's enough it's good enough, right? So we will leave it in. Okay. Perfect. So I will just leave like this. So it's good. Now I will turn it off. So this is the brand new Moen head shower works. So we will put it back. Okay. I would prefer this to hook like that, not on the other side, because of the soap is on the way here. So that's perfect. I love that. Okay. Perfect. So that's good enough for today. And have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.